Those of you who are in the opposition, mutuulirize bulungi tujja gakyali mabaga. You have seen here comrades who have come from NUP, the two of them. Those are just the beginning. There are more, and I want to tell you, the leaders of NUP, we know more than you know. We are the ones who are inside. We have bigger ears, we have bigger eyes, we're in charge. And we are not going to let the sovereignty, the future and security of this country to people who do not have this country at heart. We are going to mobilize, we are going to galvanize, and I call upon you, comrades, in unity, agali awamu, kegalu benyama. I call upon you, remain behind our struggle. The national resistance movement has got a long journey. We are still here, and this country, we will go out to every person, door to door, galvanize and mobilize. I want to assure you, Uganda has got a bright future under this movement. In conclusion, I want to tell you, comrades, I am very excited. Never have I been so excited like I have today. When I saw many of you here, smiling and sloganeering, I have never seen so much spirit and fire inside people. Keep this fire burning. The only challenge of you, the supporters of the National Resistance Movement, is you. NRM does not have any opposition. The opposition is inside NRM. Inchongere? Tujabye? If you unite, nobody, and I want to assure you, nobody. We have now liberated this country economically. Uganda now has achieved a high level of national, regional, and international recognition. General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni hosted the non-aligned movement here. General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni was recognized and hosted the G77 plus China. Which other nation has had a leader that has been recognized like that? We now have a duty, wandugu zanguni, tuko na kazi. I call upon you to get to understand that yes, work has been done, but there is more work has to be done. That's what Katunji sought here. We have 3 or 4 or 5 major challenges. Poverty among the youth, mainly. Unemployment, youth unemployment. 3, service delivery. 4, corruption. And 5, effective management of government. That can be done by you, the generation that we are launching today. We have reduced the load from you. We have reduced, NRM has reduced the load from you. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has done his part. It's now incumbent upon you, the young people, to take Uganda forward. It was done in Cuba when Fidel Castro stepped aside. It was done in North Korea. It has been done in ANC. It has been done in Tanzania with Chama cha Mapinduzi when Nyerere laid, God recalled him. We will do it here in Uganda. We will manage the transition very well, and I want to assure you, Muhozi is your answer. I thank you.